Warm welcome to all the students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School, Ward B, Standard 2nd. Now, here, students, today's topic is let's we learn about what is Independence Day, why we are celebrating Independence Day. So, listen me carefully, students, okay? So here students, Independence Day holds a lot of significance in the lives of Indians as it was on this day our country got freedom from the British who ruled the country for many years. On 15th August 1947, India became free from British rule. So 15th August is celebrated as Independence Day. This day reminds us of both of the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. On this day, various functions are held all over the country. Parades are conducted in Delhi and the state capital. The Prime Minister of our country hosts our national flag on the Red Fort on this occasion. A lot of people gather in Delhi to see the parade. The freedom fighters of our country sacrificed their lives to end the British rule in India. Every year, when we celebrate this day, we remember the sacrifices that they made, speeches are given, the national anthem is sung. So students, this day motivates us to sacrifice our lives for honor and integrity of our country. Although India is free from British rule, but there are many other problems like corruption, injustice, etc. This Independence Day, everyone should promise themselves to eradicate these problems and to become a better citizen. And students, we are the future of India and growth of our nation depends on us. So students, you have to learn and write and you have to make a flag and you have to draw a national flag in your drawing book and make a flag and stick in your craft notebook. Thank you and have a nice day, students. Thank you, students. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.